It's unbelievably rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone. As much as we think we're doing a great job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on great satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away very satisfied. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.